Hey everyone, my name is Charlie Klosko and this is Crypto Wall Street. Today I'll give you my top 3 cryptocurrencies for 2018. Today is December 31st of 2017, end of year, alright? It's happening, 2018 is here, and a lot of things will happen in the cryptocurrency world. A lot of new coins will come in and we'll see big changes as well, and it's a very exciting time for all of us. There's a lot of predictions out now on the media, and there's a lot of interesting things to pick up, a lot of interesting coins to watch, and here are my top 3 coins that I think you should watch. Do remember, this is my personal recommendations. However, it's not being taken as financial advice or investment advice. You have to do your due diligence on your own first. And here are my top 3 picks for 2018, and this is just a random order. Alright, the first one is Verge. So why Verge? Well, I'll give you solid reasons for why. First of all, this is a community-grown coin, okay? It's not being issued by a fancy corporation with a big fancy and extreme ICO. It's been growing organically, and what they do is that they do private, quick transaction between peers, and they do a great job with their branding as well. If you check out their website, they even have it in Danish as well. They provide different languages. You know, the great thing about Verge is that their transaction time is 10 seconds compared to 1 minute for the Bitcoin. That's a huge game changer as well. And they're also working on a mobile transaction platform, which will make it even more accessible as well. So very strong foundation for 2018. They're a very strong, what's called valuation right now, and we'll definitely see that change as well in 2018. So that's worth to watch as well. Number 2 to watch here is Chainlink. Okay, look it up if you don't know it. What they do is that they bridge a very important gap in the corporate world. So they provide smart contracts for corporations trading with goods or services and want to have money transferred at the time of delivery of a service or a good. Chainlink is providing the service to do that in a simple and easy manner. Now, they've been working on this for about 2 or 3 years, and if they're picked up as the main provider of smart contracts, their valuation will just, explode in 2018. We will increase by billions, and this would be a fantastic investment. Now, it is very early in the stage. It's very early to say. We're still waiting to see their beta version start to come out and see how that's going to be. But it'll be interesting to see how that'll develop in 2018. Now, remember, they are building this on the blockchain system, so they're really connecting smart contracts and corporations transaction issues and smart contract issues with the blockchain as well. So if they really are getting picked up as the #1 preferred provider of smart contracts, this will be one of the best picks for 2018. There's definitely no doubt about it. They provide a tracking system as well for their exchange of goods and services, and also a payment solution. And the good thing here is it's very accessible and easy for corporations to use, because you can connect their system with existing APIs. So it will be very easy for corporations to incorporate, and thereby it will be more user-friendly for them to do. So very interesting. I'm very excited to see what's going to happen to Chainlink. I'm excited to see evaluations of their of the beta version that will come out early 2018. And this is definitely a potential huge skyrocket winner here if they're being picked up as one of the preferred smart contracts providers, that's for sure. Now, the last one here, some of you may be or may not be surprised about that is IOTA. And why is that? Well, it's a decentralized currency, and the good thing about them is, or that currency is, that it's based on the Tangle framework and not the blockchain, which makes it a little bit more scalable, which is our big issue on the cryptocurrency world right now, and on the blockchain. They have a very strong evaluations right now, and it's really based on their implementation of of that brilliant idea they're implementing right now. So it'll be interesting to see. Another great feature about it is that they have 0% fees as well. It makes it. And since they build it on the Tangle framework and on the blockchain, it's more scalable as well. And the system is built. It's not built on modules, but it's modular, meaning it's easy to build systems on, and makes it easier to work with. And as well as it's decentralized, which is making it much easier to work with as well. And privacy is definitely one of their They're strong sites as well. Which just, in general, like summing it up, it just gives lots of opportunities, and especially because it's modular, so it's easy to build platforms on, which I think personally is very important feature to look out for. So those are the 3 currencies I definitely would look very much out for in 2018 and buy and hold and pay good attention to them. Verge, Chainlink, and IOTA. All right, here's a little bonus information. I see a lot of YouTube influencers as well, a lot of media writing about Bitcoin and Bitcoin's future for 2018, and it is very interesting to see what's going to happen there for sure, and I totally agree. Everyone talks about the massive run when the masses starts investing in the cryptocurrency world, and we'll see that in 2018. Excuse me, when it's getting when it will be easier to invest your fiat money into the world, and since Bitcoin is still the primary branding currency for the cryptocurrency world, I definitely see it will pick up some value in 2018 for the first part, for sure, the first or second quarter. And just think about it, most people that are starting to get interested about this, and most people that ask me about it as well, they don't ask about cryptocurrencies, they ask about Bitcoin. What's your Bitcoin holding? Well, how's Bitcoin doing? What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is really the face to the world. And behind Bitcoin, all the cryptocurrency world is, yes. But Bitcoin is still the face towards the world and still has strong branding value. And as we see on coinmarketcap.com, it still makes up about 40% of the dominance there, which really says a lot. And I'm definitely sure once the gates open for the massive, for the like group of people, for the masses in 2018, when it's getting generally accepted by the public to start investing, we'll see huge increase in Bitcoin as well in the early 2018. I do, however, also think that the value is gonna decrease probably around mid 2018 and then start decreasing from there, as we'll see other big huge cryptocurrencies take over their positions and becoming more popular. But I do still think there's a lot of juice in Bitcoin, so that's a bonus information for you. Watch that. I definitely think there is some money to make from now on and until May, June, or July of next year. And just think about it. Everyone talks about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? People want to invest in Bitcoin. They're not aware of cryptocurrencies and don't really know about it. And remember, people are always opposed about things they don't know. So if they start investing in the cryptocurrency world, well, they know about Bitcoin. Everyone talks about Bitcoin. So, I mean, most people by default will buy into Bitcoin, which will increase the price. So keep that in mind. It will change, but it's a trend that you can still benefit from right now until around mid 2018. So those were my recommendations, my top picks of cryptocurrency: Verge, Chainlink, and IOTA. Do your research and make great investments, all right? And I wish you all a very Happy New Year. If you want to stay connected with me and get all your updates about the cryptocurrency world, ICOs, market analysis, etc., sign up for my free investment report. There's a link below this video, and you'll get all the information before everyone else, and you also get tips and tricks, strategies, etc., to how to become a very successful investor and make money on this and follow my journey on becoming a very successful cryptocurrency trader here, so we can all make a good amount of money in 2018 and we'll have a big smile. So 2018, we welcome you in for success, growth, and happiness. I'll see you around.